Here's the easiest way to purchase or subscribe to a plan on Berdu with PayPal. Let me show you how. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorials. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell. First, go to Berdu.id. If the website appears in Indonesian, scroll down and select your desired language. Click Sign Up. Fill in the desired website name, email, phone number, and create a password. Don't forget to select your country and preferred language. Once done, click Sign Up. Here, you will be directed to your Berdu website's dashboard. Congratulations, you now have your own website, but later you will need to purchase a domain name to publish your website. During the free trial period, you can try creating a website using the tools available on Berdu, or you can watch our previous videos on how to build a website. But if you would like to immediately choose a subscription plan for your website, here's how to do it. Go to Settings, then Plan and Billing. Click Choose Plan. Here, you can select which package suits you best. For example, I'll choose the basic package. You can also choose the duration, whether monthly or annually. For the payment method, select PayPal and click Choose Plan. An invoice page will appear. Click Complete Payment. Here, you will be directed to the PayPal login page. Please log in using your PayPal account and complete the payment. That concludes this tutorial. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorial videos. Don't forget to follow our social media accounts to get other interesting content. Until next time.